Hello, good morning. Now to uninstall or uninstall your Corel Draw, there are some things you need to consider because all the softwares are being monitored on the internet so that they can discontinue it. Because majority of the software we buy, not even majority, all the software we buy in Nigeria are basically adulterated one. They are fake. The real companies sell them online. They expect you to come and buy it from them and pay huge amount of money like $50, $100 to buy any of this software, and which myself and you does not have that money, and we go to Computer Village to buy Corel Draw for 500 naira, the disc or whatever, and this disc come with a crack. So for that reason, whenever you want to install any of this software, you need to make sure that every internet package is off. If not, they will discover it and block you from using it. That's exactly what happened to one student yesterday. And how do you do that? Take for instance, you want to uninstall your Corel Draw. First of all, make sure that all your internet package is turned off. For me, I come here, number one, I first go to the internet package here, I turn it to airplane mode so that I can be sure that internet cannot be on there. I also come here to my antivirus, I right click on it and disable the protection. After that, likewise, I click on this one because there are other default security protection on the system also. I come on this security, that's the Windows security. I click on it. I click on virus threat protection. Go back. I click on firewall protection, then domain network. I off it. Yes. Now with this, I am cool to go. Now I can uninstall my Corel Draw, which has error. Your Corel that have error, you uninstall it. Just come to the setting and click on control panel. Then you open the control panel. Having opened the control panel, come to program, uninstall a program. You will see the list of programs on your system. All of them will be listed here. Then you scroll down to the Corel Draw. This is my Corel Draw 2019. I don't know that of yours. Majority Corel Draw of recent ones start from 2018 upward. I right click on it, then I click on uninstall. Yes. I'm waiting for it to respond. It's going to bring out a dialog box which will give me the instruction of what to do. Okay. Now here is Corel Draw about to be uninstalled. It's getting ready. Now when it shows this, you click on remove and remove user file. Make sure that the two are being clicked on, because if you don't remove every properties, it may still affect the new installed Corel Draw. I haven't clicked on that. You click on remove. I will not click it now because I don't want to remove my Corel Draw. My Corel Draw is working functionally. It's just because of you who has error with your Corel Draw that I'm creating this video. Now I haven't clicked on removed. It will show you the process as it's being removed, and it will tell you when it is finished. Then you click on finished. After it is finished, yes, it will bring something like this, finished. When it is finished, then at that point you can start installing. Remember, all my internet and everything are being locked already. Then to install, you go to where you put your Corel Draw software. This is where my own Corel Draw software is. My Corel Draw software. Okay. Now, for you to install CorelDRAW, there is always something called crack. This crack is where you get your serial number. Now, I open my crack, that XF or keygen, that's the way it is written in some places. Now, this is it. Now, I come back and I go to 64-bit. Now, be careful, make sure you know the bit of your system. If your system is 32-bit, you install this x86, and if your system is 64-bit, you install this x64. How do you know the bit of your system? Just come to my PC here, right click on it and check the property. When you check the property of your computer, you will see it. My own system is 64-bit. Some systems are 32-bit. Though recent computers, recent systems are mostly 64-bit. But I don't know, maybe your own is recent or old system. But just make sure you confirm before you install. My system is 64-bit, so therefore, for me to install, I will install this 64-bit software. Remember, I have opened the keygen. Then I'll click on it and I come to set up. So I double click on the setup. Yes. Now when it shows this, it means that it's loading and getting ready to install, initializing the setup. Now it shouldn't take me to this level. It should take me to a place whereby it will ask me to put the security code. The reason why it took me here was because I have CorelDRAW in this system which is working well. It's thinking maybe I want to repair it or modify it. That is why it took me here. Assuming the Corel, there is no CorelDRAW there, it will take me to a place where I will install, I will put the serial number. Then what do you do in such in case? You will make sure that you confirm the type of CorelDRAW you buy. Like my own CorelDRAW, it says CorelDRAW Technical Suite 2019. Your own may be CorelDRAW Graphic Suite. I don't know. But since my own is Technical Suite, make sure when you are making selection in the keygen, you choose the Technical Suite. Don't choose Technical Suite 2018, choose Technical Suite 2019. And if your own is 2018, whatever your CorelDRAW says it is, that is what you choose. My own is 2019. Then you copy this serial number and you paste it where it asked, it requested for the serial number. Immediately you paste it, then you click on next. At that point, your installation started. Until it finishes, it will tell you when it is done. But I am not installing any CorelDRAW. I just did this for a guideline. It will tell you finish like this, then you cancel it. At this point, CorelDRAW is totally installed. It's totally installed. Now, there's an instruction that will come out which is always showing you that maybe you should put your email address. Don't put your email address on any one of them, because you are giving the company an opportunity to discover your CorelDRAW by doing that. Whenever you want to open your CorelDRAW, I will advise you turn the internet off. It is by doing that they won't be able to discover it. When you now finish launching it, when it launches, that is when you can on your internet, or else that pop-up will hinder you from opening your CorelDRAW. Though there is a way to crack that pop-up, there is always, let me check here. Yeah, okay. Like on another type of CorelDRAW which I have here, there is something we call patch. This patch is used to correct that request of email address. If your CorelDRAW has this patch, then you can be able to correct it. But if it does not have, then you will keep using it like that. What you just do is that you make sure your internet is not on when you want to open CorelDRAW. And if your own CorelDRAW has this patch, the CorelDRAW you bought has this patch, you just copy it. When you copy it, you go to your PC, come to local disk, come to program files, come to Corel, come to Pass Motility, and then still on past utility, come to view 1, then you paste it here. You paste what you've copied there and you paste it here. It will replace the one that is here. You are permitted, it asks you that can it replace it, you permit it and you place it there. When you've done that, that is if your Corel have that utility, then you can be able to replace it. But if it doesn't have, then sorry, you will manage it, keep using it like that. The only thing is that you make sure that there is no internet on your on your system when you want to open CorelDRAW. If there is no patch on your system, then there is no way you can do that. That's the way you can surely open or install CorelDRAW on your system. Kindly like if this video really helped you out.